So maybe there's a review out like this. I'm not sure. So those are flashlights here I get from Costco. Let me turn my light down a little more here. Do we want the light a little this way? It's good light, right? Okay, so Costco on sale. 3 of those flashlights here. Let's have a good look. What does it say here? Open, close. There's no button on the back, this is all plain metal. The only button you have is here, like in a real flashlight. You turn this on and you see the charge status of this. There's 4 LEDs in a circle. See that? On, off. There. Look how smooth this light is. Can I light my scene up here like this? Okay. It has this flashing thing. Three modes: full power, half power, and flashing. So the way you achieve this is by pushing it all the way through is on or off, and then just pushing iron a little will change to the next mode. Need to get used to this a little, but we go through 3 modes: half, blinking, full. It talks about this in the user manual too. It comes with a user manual in there. Now, the amazing part here is with this Costco deal, you get 3 of those. You get 3 of those flashlights. They come with 3 USB-C charge cables. They come with 3 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. So this is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for this flashlight. And they come with regular battery trays for this flashlight. And they come with 3 sets of batteries and the manual. Let me show you how this works here with the battery section. So you can open it. That's what it looks like inside. There is a rubber silicone ring here. Look at this. And then we have here, this is one of the rechargeable batteries. They charge with USB-C. It comes with this cable, USB-C and USB. Now, let me show you this. I have one in here. You plug this in here, and it's going to charge. And you see here this blue LED. That is illuminated during charge. And when it's done charging, this LED turns green. Then you know your battery is full. Okay. Now, if you use one of those battery trays, it goes in here. It only fits in one way. In here, there. You have to twist it around to find the right way, right? The arrows point to the Duracell logo, like this. So, and now this thing can receive regular batteries. Now, it comes with a whole box of batteries. So, of course, they have the Duracell batteries in here, right? The ones we all know will leak and destroy your devices. There is a little label in there to tell you how this goes in. Like this. And then this goes in here like this. And then you just close it like this. And now you have a flashlight with batteries, right? With the same functions. It just has batteries in it. Now, if those batteries leak in there, they will destroy the flashlight probably, because it's open on both sides, so the leakage will occur inside there. It's not a good thing. So I would advise anybody to just use those batteries for something else, and then, or emergency maybe, I don't know, but use those rechargeable batteries. That's much better. For this price, we're talking about $20. You can only recommend. Yeah, look at this manual. I don't know if you can download it, but this is like everything in here what you need to know. All right. Look at all this. There's instructions on how to do things. The important one here is how long we can run this thing. The data, right? How many minutes? 7 hours here is the longest. With a rechargeable battery in the low mode. Right, then it will shine 7 hours. Let me put this here. I don't know if it's gonna stay there, but yeah. So when you put this into the low mode, oh, this is the low mode. That will run for 7 hours with one of the fully charged lithium-ion batteries. Yeah. So looking at this setting here to cover the USB port, so you are supposed to twist this here, and then you can uncover the USB port here. Now, in this case, there is no USB port. Why is that? Because we are running the battery thing, right? Okay, so let's take all those batteries out. Let's plug in the lithium-ion battery. Can you see all those arrows? Goes there where the Duracell logo is, right? Plug this in, and then you can see already the port becomes visible there. Okay, so this goes in here now. Close it up. You can see that this ring is going to seal it to make it waterproof. And now we have access to the USB port, and we can charge the flashlight here without taking the battery out. And when we're done charging, we can close it again like this. And you see the rubber ring here where it seals it. That is, I would say, well thought through. See, now we are waterproof. We are running on this lithium ion, and you can see now we have 4 green lights here. So this is a full battery, and when we switch this thing to low here, it will run 7 hours. All right. If you use the batteries here, it will run 5 hours in this mode. If you do full light like this, full brightness, it runs only 2 hours. With batteries, it runs 1.5 only. But if it's really dark, the low mode is really good enough. So what I wanted to say is, for this price, how sturdy, metal, waterproof this is, and it comes with all those batteries. That's unbeatable. Very nice. So I hope you liked this review, and I see you in the next. And in this case here, I would buy that. It's good. And I'm not affiliated with this place, so what do I care what you buy? But this thing is a good investment for emergency situations. And imagine you get 3 of those. Alright, so this is the low mode. I'm gonna go here and check out how the low mode goes. Now we can focus in the distance to make the beam smaller and brighter. We can click one more. Oh, this was the flashing. This was full. Half. Full brightness. There. Like that. This is full brightness. You can focus your beam to where you need it. There. This would be half brightness. Half, and then here we have the flashing. Full, half, and flashing. This is full open, and this is full zoom. It shines further, okay, but let's go really far away. There. You can see there how far it goes. When you zoom out, then you don't see difference there really. Like, yeah.